best of movies.
We received a call from Shelley Zorzet of Sault Ste. Marie, who wonders why we have earwax. Earwax is officially known as cerumen. It has antibacterial properties that prevent infection and keep our ear canal moist. It acts a lot like flypaper. Trapping dust and other debris so it won't penetrate deeply into your ear. Now, when we talk or eat, our jaw movements move the earwax out of the ear canal. Plus, the skin of the ear keeps growing outward. This acts like a conveyor belt that brings out dirt, old earwax, and dead skin. The ear is self-cleaning, so drilling with one of these is really counterproductive.
Catherine Kling of Tilsonburg wants to know why birds have light and dark meat. Well, the answer lies in the bird's flying habits, or lack thereof. You see, muscle cells contain myoglobin. It's a bit like hemoglobin in the blood. Its job is to store oxygen and then release it when the muscle requires more energy. And it's the amount of myoglobin in the muscles that gives meat its light or dark color. Now, back to flying. Birds that fly a lot, like geese or ducks, need to store energy in the muscles that do the most work. So their breast muscles contain a lot of myoglobin, and the meat is darker in color. Chickens and turkeys, on the other hand, spend most of their time running around on their legs and very little time in the air. So their myoglobin is concentrated in their leg muscles, not in their chests. So their drumsticks have dark meat, and their breast meat is white.
Lisa Quirk of Tottenham called us, and she wants to know why the shower curtain gets sucked in when you turn the shower on. Well, what happens is, when the water from the shower head comes out, it doesn't come alone. It brings air down with it. This fast-moving air has a lower pressure than the air outside the shower. So the air outside pushes in, and before you know it, your shower curtain gets sucked in. The idea that fast-moving air creates low pressure was discovered by Daniel Bernoulli. This Bernoulli effect is the same thing that keeps aircraft and birds in the air, and it also draws the smoke out of your chimney.
It was during the California gold rush that another important development occurred. The gold miners were always filling their pockets with rock samples. The problem was they were constantly ripping their pants. Now, a man selling canvas tents at the time noticed this problem and decided to try making pants out of canvas. The tough, durable clothes were a big hit. And a few years later, he decided to change from canvas to a slightly different fabric. That man was Levi Strauss, and his new fabric was denim. So thanks to the gold rush, today we have blue jeans.